video, I'm gonna show you guys one of the most exciting hair videos that I've done in a long time. Everywhere I go on social media, headband wigs are so popular. So I want to say a huge thank you to NiaWigs for partnering with me on this video. I am so excited to bring you guys this trend, this video, this wig. I can't wait to slay, okay? So you unfold it like this. It comes with headbands. Like, how freaking cool is this, guys? Like, what? So it comes with headbands like this. You take out the bag. This whole brand, like, it's just screaming luxury. Inside the bag, I have my headband wig. And oh my goodness, so I ordered the curly hair unit. I will leave all the details of the wig in the description box if you guys were interested in that. So I ordered some 22 curly hair in this headband form, and oh my goodness, it has straps at the bottom for extra security, which you guys know I need because I'll be out here fighting people. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. And then these are the headbands. So in here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 I think. Yeah, so I have 4 headbands that I'm gonna use, and I have the wig. So let's get started. I'm gonna take this random wig cap that I found in my house. It's actually not even a wig cap, it's like a crochet wig cap. That's all I have in terms of like wig caps right now, so it's gonna have to do. And I'm gonna take the headband wig and place that on my head, like this. Oh my goodness. Ooh. So I use the Got2b glue here, and it's not laying down. Okay, it's definitely one of those wigs that I would be pulling up to the gym with, you know what I'm saying? So I could still look really cute at the same time. I definitely want to get this in every style. Like, this is a kinky curly. I would really love this in like a kinky straight, a body wig. I am just like, listen, obsessed with this. Oh, I didn't even speak about the hair. When I tell you this hair is so nice, like, it's so soft. And the curls are just like, I didn't even expect the curls to be this nice. I just love how fluffy it is. I think I'm gonna wear it like this. Like, I wanted to have that like really fluffy and voluminous look. You know, I love my big hair, so I am just very excited for this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this wig review. Just trying to like play around with content on this channel. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for your love, comment, support, and feedback on my channel. I want to wish you guys every ounce of love, joy, happiness, and success, and I'll see you in my next video.